Yeah.
Sorry, Beha. Sorry, ha.
Saya, marami manonood ng live ko ngayon.
Hindi pa.
Pag na-bounce yan, stand tayo kay Jim na. Maniwala ka.
Hindi.
Hindi ganali ka.
Gawa nung nag-post ng last, pinapapigil lang.
Galit kasi ka.
Tama lang ako.
Bakit sino ba nag-post ng last?
Hindi ka mo lang alam eh.
Player nga.
Sabi po ni Kapep, kapag na-post ka, paitigil na yung liga na yan. Ikap.
Hindi na yan. Sayang naman. Mas lalong, pag tinigil niya, mas lalong maraming ano sa inyo. Oo.
Uy, naka-live na ako. Mamaya na kayo.
Kickoff between Marquez and Paladin. First possession. SAPM is kind of penetrates pass two. And drive. Perimeter jumper. 2 points. Ito na kain na. Serpentesa setting the play. Pass to Ona. Ona to jersey number 13 to Cornelius. Back to Manlakas. Back to Cornelius. Back to Ona. Pass break. And di nahabol sa turnover. Petesa setting the play. Petesa to Cornelius. To jersey number 29 sa ilalim. Umihit. No good. Rebound din. Manlakas. No good pa rin. Rebound pa rin ni Manlakas. Manlakas. Perimeter jumper. No good pa rin. Rebound ni Cornelius for 2 points. Skynabla setting the play. For the AMTN. Skynabla pass to Marquez sa low post. Marquez showing his complete pass through. Lopez, what a pass, what a shot, what a connection by these two players.
Nasa labas si CJ? Wala, no?
Marquez is setting the play. Pass to Ona. Ona tries for 3. No good. Rebound ni Magsiwin. Pass yung Skynabla. Skynabla, wala pa sa Lopez, bakit nawala? Sayang. Jersey number 29, Paladin lays it up, and it's a rejection for Marquezes.
Ah, thank you po sa Star State ah.
Ano ka ba?
Ano ba?
Pati ako gumaganon eh. Umaano ba yung umaano eh.
Paladin, rebounding the ball, pass to Petesa sa gitna.
Nakita ka mag-anak eh. Piniklip na kita eh.
Petesa has by 2 players, nakawala. And it's 2 points for Sir Petesa.
Tanginang niya.
Daddy.
And John passes kay Napa. Action sa gitna. Perimeter jumper. No good. Rebound to Cornelius. Pass to Ona. Ona. Ona sharing the play for TNT. Ona. Pass to Petesa. Perimeter jumper is good. Parang walang kaupas-kaupas ang laro. Skynabla setting the play. Using the screen for Reyes. It's the same ball.
Paki-open.
Skynabla plays. Pass to Marquez sa gitna. Marquez is a leap up. What a move. But no good this time. Cornelius. Pass to Ona. Ona, back to Cornelius. Tries for long two, no good. Iba niya ang ball. Skynabla. Skynabla, diretso. Exact. Robin. Violation coming into jersey number 8. Skynabla.
Ba yan?
Petesa setting the play. Pass to Ona. Kay Cornelius sa low post. Cornelius. Saan din na dito sa Patsiuin, but no good. Rebound. Paladin, and rejected again by Marquezes. And 2 points for Manlapas. Region score 8-4 in favor of Cuenca MPS.
Sabi. Pakonek.
Sky Napia, set to play, pass to Angal. Angal to Lopez. Lopez to Zuri. Marquez is out, Marquez is out, one lead. One shot by Marquez. 2 points. Marqueza, set to play for the PNP. Looking for his teammates.
Sabi.
Pass to Ona. To Parnoyes again sa ilalim. Parnoyes, no good. Pero bumalo pa rin, no good pa rin. Rebound ni Marquezes. Pass to Pagsiwin. To Lopez. Ito na si Idol. Alvin Lopez lays it up. 2 points by Lopez. Ona, setting the play. Ona, looking for his teammates. Nahanap si Sir Petesa. Petesa, back to Ona. To Manlapas. Manlapas. Dumidiskate, back to Ona. Ona breaks. Penetrates. Give up shot. 2 points by Ona.
Sabi. Sabi. Wala. Wala. Oh. Oh, hindi ka makakulit ako. Tingnan mo.
Tulong na gitna. Lopez. 2 points. Lucky bounce. Petesa setting the play. Petesa. Tries for 3, but a little bit short. Rebound ni Marquezes. 2. Angal. No good. Pinigay sa Petesa. Petesa pass to Ona. Ona to Cornelius. Cornelius penetrates. Lays it out. No good. Rebound ni Lopez. Pass to Pagsiwin. Awari. Paladin. Pass to Manlapas. No good. Rebound ni 2 points by Petesa. And by that, balik po ang kalangaman sa Cuenca MPS. Marquezes, looking for his teammate. One pass for Lopez and 2 points, one connection. And a nice find by Marquezes. Marqueza is going down their pace. 15 to shoot. Ona. Back to Petesa. 10. Petesa penetrates. Back to Ona for 3. No good. Even to Pagsiwin. Pass to Skynapia. Skynapia. Pass to Lopez. There's not. Back to 2 points by Lopez.
Ano pala pag-
Masarap ang nakain. Ganun pala.
Kumain ba ng pizza?
Skynapia setting the play. Skynapia showing his dribbling skills. Pass to Marquezes for an easy 2 points. Gandang connection ang pinapakita ng AMTN.
Dati ka dyan, di ba? Huwag ka tinanggal. Malalaki na sila din ako.
Ona setting the play. Pass to Manlapas. Manlapas penetrates na wala. Pero nakuha niya pa rin and rejection again for Marquezes. Nice defense and Timo, 3-1 situation. Skynapia to Pagsiwin for an easy 2 points. By that, lumobo na po sa ulo ang Alamangan, AFTN.
Ano yung tindahan?
2 points.
Sino last for? Petesa.
And that's it at the plane. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 1 second. Skynapia, pass to Lopez naman sa lalim. Nice fight, but wala pa rin, sayang. Petesa. Petesa at play, pass to Cornelius. Cornelius, pass to wala. Kaya Andal, pass to Marquezes and using their advantage for an easy 2 points. Paladin setting the play. Pass to Petesa. Petesa, pull-up jumper. It connects 2 points by Petesa. Sky Navia, na naman ang bumababa. Referee's limit, nahanap si Marquez sa gitna. And it's a 2 points. Iba ang laki ni Marquez. Grabe talaga. Ito naman si Petesa, babawi on the other side of the court. Pass to Ona. Ona sigsaging mo, Petesa whistle, loose foul rep. Foul committed by jersey number 8, sorry. Skylab right, sir. First personal foul, first team foul. Substitution rep. Rosales team, Matibag team. And they're out. Pagsuhin out. Timeout! Cuenca, MPS. Official score, 16-24.
Dito daw.
Pag ano, pag nawa ka na yung mga huwag binabanggi pa yun.
Kita naman sa live.
Dapat pala yung live tinutok sa oras, no?
Back to the ball game. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 3 seconds per hour. First quarter.
Nabasa naman agad, di ba? Sakto naman na.
Nabitawan ng linggo.
Outig kasi yun. Kahit nag-buzzer na, na-amolay na.
Kakapag yun.
Malay na ako, guys. Sorry ko.
Limoni. Lopez, pass to Sky Navia. Sky Navia. Pass to Lopez. Lopez back to Sky Navia. Technical skills. Naisa Petesa. Pentex. Is up. No good. Ribati. Marquez. Pass to Lopez. Lopez. Pass to Matibag. Matibag is up and up for 3. Matibag. 3 points. Aranda, pass to Petesa. Back to Aranda. Aranda Pentex. 2 points by Aranda. Using the board. Matibag again. Pull up jumpers. Good. Ona sharing the play. Pass to Petesa to Calabi. To Kalon to Petesa for 3. Petesa 3. Remaining time 50 seconds. Marquez is in now. 15 to shoot. Muali, Calabi, pass to Petesa. Petesa nagmamadali. Is it up? 2 points by Petesa. Again, Matibag, Pulilan again for 3, but no good this time. Iwan na Palon, pass to Petesa, to Ona. Ona, pass to Tiniran na pala. No good, Riban ni Palon. Palon. No good, Riban ni Matibag. 15 seconds remaining time. Sky Navia, no good, Riban ni Matibag. There's a reserve for the rep. 29 is short. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 throws for Matibag. First throw. First throw is not good. Second throw, ibigay this time. One out of 2 for Matibag. Remaining time, 10 seconds. Shot clock is up. The same ball. Randa, in front of the ball. Pass to Ona. 5. Pass to Paladin for 3. No good. And that's it for our first quarter official score. 30-23 in favor of AMTN. to the ball game. Start of the second quarter. Bola ng Cuenca FPS. Aranda to Ona, set the play. Pass to Formoles. Formoles fakes. Perimeter jumper. Is good. Over the defense of Reyes. 2 points. Matibag setting the play. Pass to Lakay. Lakay. Pass to Reyes. Reyes bumawi. But no good.
Kapatid mo yan?
Formoles. Formoles ang dumidiskarte. Pass to Ona sa gitna. Pass to Aranda, including the bird once again. 2 points by Sir Aranda. Mahilig sa ball green. Matibag, started back for 3. No good. Rebound Reyes, but nawala. Kuha ni Ona. Ona to Aranda once again. Aranda ball green again, but no good this time. A little bit strong. Dahil tayo, paso lang ulit sa gitna. No good, rebound ni Formoles. Still left, di matibag. Reyes, Reyes fakes. Reyes forcing it to the inside. And 2 points for Reyes. Formoles, setting the play. Pass to Ona. Pass to jersey number 29, Reyes. Penetrates. Is it up, but denied by Reyes. Ito na si Lakay nagmamadali. Lakay! Pass to second signal. No good. Ibani. 2 points by Manalo. Substitute.
Bumihikil yata.
Teresa, set the play. Pass to Aranda. Back to Teresa. Teresa for 3. A little bit short. Matibag. Back to Lakay. Lakay is malagsak. Bullet cover is good by Lakay. Teresa, set the play. Pass to Palon. Ay, to. Ang kata pala. To Teresa sa gitna. Bago 3. Rebound ni Palon. Palon. And there's a result. Foul committed by jersey number 26. Jersey number 26, it's your first personal foul. First team foul. 2 throws for Palon.
Umutot sa inyo.
First throw.
Hindi dito yun tayo sa aso.
First throw is good. Second throw, ready jumpers.
SK po. SK Angel po.
Complete the throw. 3 throws.
Nakarami po ng pizza, kaya utot ng utot.
Sino si SK Angel?
Lakay, pass to Reyes. Reyes for 3. A little bit short. And there's a result. Foul committed by jersey number 24. Pushing foul.
Sa iba to? Alin? Cellphone? Oo, yung kulay brown yung race. Di ko alam, ito. Papatok ko yung kay ano ha?
Formoles, twice forward. Long 2, but no good. Ibali, Segop. Pass to Lakay. Lakay nagmamadali. Pass to Manalo. There's a result. It's a traveling violation committed by jersey number 28, Manalo. Una nagmamadali. Pinasay sa Palon sa poste. Sa Palon. 2 points for Palon. Lakay setting the play for the gray shirts. Pass to Reyes again, Reyes fakes. Reyes penetrates and 2 points for Reyes. Official score 38-31 in favor of AMTN. Itesa setting the play. Pass to Aranda for 3. No good. Rebound ni Sekop. Sekop at the Jerusalem. Committed by jersey number 3, Petresa. It's a first personal foul. First team foul. Lagay. Pass to balik 3 for 3. No good. Isa, black ball. Sa susunod na rin. Pagsumayin, Yamain. Galichain, Yamain. Second out, Reyes out.
Papasukin niyo po. Nagpaalam kaya yung bola bago lumabas. Click mo ako ah.
Para din bago the ball. Para din pass to Teresa. Teresa, itinawid ang bola sa kanilang kamusluan. Teresa, pass to Aranda long 2. No good, rebound ni Yama. Yama. Ito na si Yama. Nawawala ang bola. Pass to Lagay, but nawala. Cornelius, nawala. Nawala na naman. Aras by Lagay.
Nagsasend lang ng...
Perimeter jumpers, no good, rebound ni Calon, and Calon, no good pa rin. Ito na si Lagay. Si Lagay, si Sadi Moves. Beautiful stimming, full cover to the Bronx by Mister Paglawang Nakigan. Aranda.
Hindi na mababalik.
Set the play, pass to Petesa. Pass to Palaadin sa labas. Back to Petesa. The 3. No good. Iba ni Galicia. Pass to Lagay. Lagay, no first defense. Pass to Galicia. Galicia, isa. Traveling violation.
Naku, hindi na makatakbo eh.
Tanga, Aranda. Pass to Pornolia sa ilalim. Nawala. Safe ball.
Lagot ka.
Portales, inbounding the ball, pass to Petesa. Ay, pinasa kay referee. Rep, di mo naman tinira, sayang yung assist.
Hindi sinalo ni Rep.
May sinalo ni Rep, 4 points na sana. Nakita, pass to Galicia. Galicia for 3. No good, Rimani. Yama, 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 si Yama, 2 points. Petesa sharing the play. Pass to Portoles. Portoles. Pass to Palon. Palon. 2 points. And it's a red one for Silpano. Was Palon? Call the jersey number 22. It's all. Time out. AMTM. Jersey number 22. So first personal foul. Second team foul. Back to the ball game. Bonus score, ready jumpers. Oh good, but there's a reason. Isa pa.
Chicken Joy.
Isa pang chicken joy.
Ay, ako.
Bonus throw again for Palon. No good pa rin. Rebound ni Yama. Ito na, si Sky Navia. Sky Navia nagmamadali. Pass to Yama. Yama again. Wala. Pass to Lopez. To Sky Navia. Sky Navia picks. Is up. Left to right. Sa missing 2 points. Smooth operator. Aranda, setting the play. Pass to Palon. Siksadi moves. And your drop shot. No good. Rebounding. Sky Navia. Ito naman si Sky Navia. Operating their offense. Pass to Yama. Yan naman si Yama. 2 points. By Yama. Betesa setting the play. Betesa. Pass to Cornelius. Pinasa ay Palon sa ilalim. Palon again. But no good this time. Ito na naman si Sky Navia. Pass to Anay. But a little bit strong on the other side. Time out. Cuenca and PS. Wala na po yung time out para sa first half. Official score 46 to 33. 30-point lead by AMTN. Remaining time 20 minutes and 25 seconds.
Kailangan nila ng bago. Ako 64 na. Kikita ko yun. Okay lang yun. Ay, wala.
Nawala pa.
Betesa setting the play. Pass to Palon. Cornelius rather. Cornelius Mongarza and there's a resale. There's foul on it. Foul committed by jersey number 1. Lopez, it's your first personal foul. 30 foul. Two throws for Cornelius. First throw. First throw, no good. Second throw, ready jumpers. 1 out of 2 for Cornelius. And God setting the play. Pass to Sky Navia. Sky Navia penetrates. Pass to Adal for perimeter jumper. But no good is Sky. To the next person, Sky Navia. Pass to Lopez. But no good. Rivaldi. Manlabas. And Manlabas nagmamadali. Manlabas penetrates. But there's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 30. Andal, it's your first personal foul and then running for penalty. Palon. Pass to Betesa sa gitna. Betesa, no good. To the rescue si Palon. Nawala si Betesa again. Pass to Manlapas sa gitna. Manlapas and there's a reserve foul committed by jersey number 22. Yama, it's your second personal foul penalty. 2 throws for Manlapas. Substitution red. Sub again red. May kitangin ng jersey kung ayaw mo ma-technical. First row. No good. Second row, ready jumpers. No good. Rebound ni Palon. Palon again. No good pa rin. Sayang, napapalakpak si Sir. Rebound ni Rosales. Aras by jersey number 69. Sky Navia, pass to Seco. Pass to Lopez. Pass to Lopez, but no good. Pinasa kay Bordoyes. Bordoyes, lumipad, plays it up. 2 points by jersey number 11, Bordoyes. Sky Navia setting the play, operating the offense. Pass to Seco. Seco penetrates. Here's the shot, and it's good. Seco, 2 points. Ito naman si jersey number 69. Pass to Cornelius. Cornelius takes, Cornelius penetrates and lumipad ulit, but no good. To the next si Palon and there's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 4, Rosales. It's your first personal foul penalty.
Dati si Kalong mo yung strip na ano.
First throw for Palon.
Wala pala dito yung ID. May ID ka.
First throw is no good. Second throw, ready jumpers. And foul out of 2 for Sir Palon. And nandito na ulit si Sky Napia. Pastor Lopez. Lopez makes it up para mas 5 by Sky Napia. And 2 points for Mr. Alvin Lopez. Dito on the other side of the court, si Sir Tequesa, setting the play. Looking for his teammates. Pass to jersey number 69. Aranda. No good this time. Rebound ni Lopez. Pass to Sky Napia. Sky Napia again. Sky Napia is up. 2 guards. Para shoot. Operators. Sky Napia. And dito naman si Aranda bumabawi. Pass to Cornelius. Cornelius. Pass to Sir Palon sa ilalim. Nawala. Madulas. Pero nakanda pa rin. Sir Palon na steal ni Rosales. Rosales. Pass to Lopez sa gitna. Lopez penetrates and then lays it up. But no good time and there's always there. Just 5 minutes by jersey number 3, Bushiba. Sir Teresa, you have second personal foul, second team foul.
52-37 in favor of AMTN.
Remaining time, 52 seconds and the 15-second shot clock. Second sa gitna, naman, and no good. The break, panawan ni Lopez. 2 is kind of number 2, and it's Riles. What a smooth like a butter. Cornelius set on the play. Using the game clock. 15 seconds to shoot. Aranda for 3. No good this time. Rebound. Lopez pass to Rosales. Rosales nagmamadali. Stopping back for 3. But no good this time. Rebound to second. Second to the rescue. Pinasa ay Rosales. No good pa rin. Back to the rescue ang sarili. Rosales. Rosales. Pass to Lopez. To Sky Napia. Sumubok sa press. And Garcia. Para shot. By Sky Napia. And last 5 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds remaining time for our second quarter. Kumanlabas for 3. And that's it for our second quarter. Official score 57-37 for our first half. 56 rather, 56. 57 rather. Ang gulo nila.
Ang sabi? Bakit tayo?
Sabi niyo dito na technical ang pulo kasi di pa daw.
Ba't pati ako kasali?
Nagpasukan na sa court tapos na ang oras ano dito na dito. Wala nang ligo. Tigil mo nga yan. Ako ligo kasi sa
Baduy.
na pag once daw po na-house pa ko na lahat ng program na SPA.
Pagka tinigil nyo, lalo kayong mapopost.
Mali pa, mag-post ka lang, mali pa. Kaya na lang, wala kang technical na nangyari. Kaya na lang, yung cellphone.
Mali pa.
Wala naman technical na nangyari.
Pinamala. Dapat may technical rin.
So si Anonymous na naman yan. Matapang talaga si Anonymous sila. Na lang binabag. Luto daw agad yan. Kala may championship eh. Ay.
Back to the ball game. Start of the third quarter. Matibag. Pass to Andal. Andal setting the pin. Pass to Balik. Quick for three. No good. Rebound naman Lapas. Pass to Pedesa. Pedesa is laying on the pace of the offense. Pass to Vera. Back to Pedesa. Pedesa to mga Lapas for three. No two rather. 2 points by mga Lapas. Matibag, pass to Reyes, pass to Marqueses, Twin Towers connection that deflected by Cornelius. Cornelius pass to Pedesa, on the roll, he's got the 2 points by Sir Pedesa. Matibag, Matibag penetrates, steals up shot, 2 points by Matibag. Cornelius, pass to Pedesa. Malapas zone 2, but no good. Rebound ni Marqueses. Andal, sharing the play. Andal, pass to Matibag. Matibag for 3. No good. Rebound ni Marqueses. Marqueses, no good. Rebound ni Sir Pedesa. Ngunit na steal ni Andal. Andal, what a pass for Marqueses, but a little bit strong. Rebound ni Cormones, pass to Pedesa. Pedesa nagmamatay. Ayun pass for Ona. 2 points. What a nice pass by Sir Pedesa. But finish by Sir Ona. Andal setting the play. Andal using the screen of Reyes. Pass to Dalgwig. Sayang. Ngunit ako ni Matibag. Pull up jumper. 2 points by Matibag. Manlabas. Back to Ona. Ona operating their offense. Ona ang muna pass to Cornelius. Back to Ona. To Pedesa for 3. No good. Ribagi. Cornelius. No good. Pagkandun sa balon. Balon pa rin. Balon pa rin. No good. Cornelius pa rin. No good. Nandiyan na si Matibag. Matibag nagmamadali. Parang si Jordan Pulang. 2 points by Matibag. Perteza on the other side of the court. No good, everybody. Sa Perteza rin. Pass to Pulmones sa gitna. Humingi, wala. Everybody, Marqueses. To Andal. Andal, setting the play. Andal operating their offense. Pass to Matibag. Matibag to Marqueses. To balik quick for three. No good, everybody. Sir Palon. Pass to Perteza. Perteza pull-up jumper. No good, everybody na rin. Isa pa. No good pa rin this time. To the rescue sa Palon sa ilalim. And 2 points by Palon. Andal. Shangar Andal set in the plane. As to Matibag to Marqueses sa poste. Marqueses to Reyes. No good. Dribble pa rin ni Reyes. Reyes picks. Shots. No good pa rin. Kanya pa rin. Reyes pa rin. And there's a whistle and then 1. Foul committed by jersey number 15. It's your first personal foul. First team foul. Substitution ulit. And bonus throw for CJ Reyes. Bonus throw for Reyes, jersey number 15. And he completes the 3-point play. Perteza looking for his teammates. Nahanap si Serona. Ona for 3. Ona! 3 points. Sky na biya itong Matibag. Tumawi ng 3. No good this time. Cornales. Cornales and Cornales. Cornales penetrates. Zigzaggy move and a turn up but a little bit short. Yan na, si Matibag, pass to Marqueses, but the flex. Malakas, pass to Ona. Pass to Pumores and Alan, Pumores flex, but may still ni Manalo. Pass to Matibag. Matibag once again, pass to Marqueses, nababa. Substitution. Nakagay in. Matibag out, Lopez in, Reyes out. Perteza pass to Ona. Malakas perimeter jumper. No good. Yuban Manalo. To Marqueses to Lagyay. Lagyay, sumalaksak, nakalusot, pinasa kay Lopez sa gitna. Lopez na wala. Pero kanya pa rin. Lopez to Marqueses. Marqueses, bugwesa, but no good. Rimandi. Ona, pass to Palmones. To Palon. Tumalon. 2 points by Palon. Lopez sumalaksak. Pass to Laygay. Breaks. Back to Lopez pero natapik. Pero nakuha pa rin Lopez. Tumanalo for perimeter jumper. No go this time. Nakuha ni Palmones. Palmones again. Pass to Palon. Sa low post. Palon. Pumversa. Sumalaksak. Pass to Perteza for 3. But nakabigyan tinate. Sumalaksak. To the shot. No good. Dribble pa rin na. No good pa rin. Pero to the rescue pa. Okay. Nakuha ni Scanapia, nagbababa ng bola. Operating to offense, full of jumper, it's good. Smooth like butter. Palon, Bumenta, there's a weekend foul for the Avengers, number 8, Scanapia. Substitution foul. Scanapia, it's your second personal foul, first team foul. And 2 throws for Sir Ona. Shout out po sa viewers natin sa live. Thank you so much for watching. First throw, no good. Second throw, ready to first. Sky Nabia, penetrates, lays it up. Grabe talaga ko. Parang mapipicturean nata. penetrates, exciting moves. There's a reason, moves foul, committed jersey number 8. Again, it's kind of bad. So third personal foul, second team foul.
Yan ang back up.
Yan ang back-up na natin break MPS. Ona, penetrates, jumper, no good. Rebound isang palon, no good pa rin, kanina pa rin. Palon takes, palon shot, no good pa rin. But, there's a reason. Pushing foul committed by jersey number 23. Ona, it's your first personal foul, second team foul. Manlabas, pass to Paladin. Pass to Petesa. Petesa, pass to Paladin. Paladin, tumaksas inside the moves. Gives it up, using the ball, 2 points. Skyline present play. Pass to Bagsuyuit. To Marquez, inside the move, using his height. 2 points for Marquez. Si Sir Manlapas ready to play for the offense. Manlapas to Sir Petesa. Petesa Sir ready to play. Napakalayong press and unable to short this time. Sa kabilang panig, Lopez penetrates. Pass to Magulaway sa ilalim. No good. Rebound pa rin ni Lopez. Rebound pa rin ni Marquez. Marquez pumwersa. Umikot, tumira. No good pa rin. Tinapik ni Lopez. Pero put back 2 points. To the rescue palagi yan. Ito naman si Ona. The representative of the court. Set the play. For 3. No good. Little bit short. Everybody, Magsuyuit to Skynabia. Skynabia operating their offense. What a pass to Lopez. What a pass. What a shot. 2 points by Lopez. Petesa. Petesa sumalaksak. Umikot. Pumwersa. And there's a reason. Nakapagpasahan ng foul. Foul because number 18, Magsuyuit. It's your first personal foul, third team foul. Manlapas. Pass to Ona. Fakes. Breaker jumper. Nahuli. Sa Fernandez of Pisen. Foul. Committed by jersey number 18. Once again, Magsuyuit is your second personal foul. Warning for penalty. 2 throws for Sir Palon. First throw. First throw is good. Second throw, heavy jumpers. 1 out and 2 out of 2 for Sir Palon. Laki guy. Pass to Skynabia. Pass to Magsuyuit sa gitna. Lays it up. No good. Ibali Lopez. Lopez to Lucky Guy. What a find. What a pass. What a shot. 2 points. Remaining time 1 minute and 50 seconds per hour. Third quarter. Palon. Pass to Petesa. Petesa in the play. Looking for a pass. Pass to Manlapas. Pass to Paladin. Paladin, lumahanap ng papasahan. Nakita si Palon sa ilalim. No good, everybody. Ona for 2 points. Skynabia, seri play. Operating the offense of AFN. Nakita na naman si Lopez. Nakita naman ni Lopez si Laigay for 2 points. What a connection by this team. Napagandang panoorin. Anytime 1 minute and 8 seconds. 15 to shoot. 10. No good, everybody. Marquez. Hindi na pala kinuha. It's a third quarter. Remaining time 57.3 seconds for the third quarter. Now, Marquez penetrates. Pass to Skynabia for an easy 2. No good. Ibani, Lopez, and there's a loose foul committed by jersey number 30. Manlapas, it's your first personal foul, 13 foul.
Hindi kasi nila ang pinost.
2 throws for Lopez.
Yun ang pinost nila. Hindi
First throw is good. Second throw, ready jumpers. Oh good, deriva ni Marquez. Marquez pumili, tinira. One up by Marquez, showing his footwork. The other side of the court, Serpenez is in the play. 30 seconds, 15 to shoot. On the 3, no good. Rebound ni Lopez. Pass to Lagay, nagmamadali. Pinasay pagsulit, Payanisi. 2 points. Remaining time, 20 seconds. Shot clock is off. Peteza. Peteza yung naka-1 foul. Who's correct? Foul against number 24, Lopez. It's your first personal foul. Penalty. 2 throws for Serpeneza. First throw. A little bit short. But he has his second throw. Ready jumpers. 1-2 for Peteza. Remaining time, 13.8 seconds. For our team clock. 10. Marquez, pass to Scanabra for 2 points. No good. Ito na palon. Tor! That's it for our third quarter. Official score 85 to 57. Lead by AFTN.
Huwag na. Huwag na.
Ganyan naman kung ano, di ba kayo for example, yung September yung birthday ko, pero kung number 9, so pwede mawawala yung isang letter sa name or number.
hulaan mo pa yung birthday niya.
Pero yung ganyan po na yung ayun o, lapit na.
Back to the ball game, start of the court, and final quarter of this ball game. On to Aranda. Aranda's in the play. Teresa Padrino, driven ni Senaka. Pass to Rosales. Rosales na wala. Pero nakuha na pa rin. Rosales, pass to Galicia. To Skyrabia. Skyrabia. What? Oh good, driven ni Palon. Sir Peteza. Peteza sumalaksa. Peteza, pass to Aranda. Nakawalan ng pasa. But he fails to finish it. On the other side of the court, 2-on-1 situation. Pass to Andal. No good. There's a Ruzel. Foul committed by jersey number 23, Galicia. It's your first personal foul, first team foul. Nandito naman, Sir Aranda. For the PNP. Pass to Paladin. Pass to Teresa, the flex by Rosales. Rosales nagmamadali. No good this time. Rebound ni Galicia. Galicia mawawala ang bola. Nakuha pa rin niya. Pass to Antal. Antal. Kay Antal kasi Mandal. 2 points by Antal. Peteza. Peteza penetrates. No good. Rebound to Skyrapia. Skyrapia. Operating the offense. Pass to Antal again. Once again. No good. Rebound na. Ay, hindi pala. Same ball.
volleyball na lang po. Volleyball, di mo lang dito.
Pinasa Rosales. No good. Kuha niya pa rin. Rosales pa rin. Pass to Andal for 3. No good. Ito na si Mentresa, sumaksa. 2 points using the board.
Parang yung sa championship.
Again, Antipo sa Sky Nabia, operating the offense. Pass to Rosales na wala na naman. Alon is not good. Di ba di Sky Nabia? Yup, pinasa sa kalaban. Dito si Zay Paron, 2 points. Timeout. AMTN. Visual score 87-61 in favor of AMTN. Remaining time 7 minutes and 50 seconds per hour. Third and final quarter.
Magaling ko yung Anonymous Kabuyo, napapakinabangan. Yung Anonymous Kabuyo siya nagsasabi sino yung nanduro ko, sino yung pumatay.
Mahirap kasi dun sa...
Set up, setting the play. Pass to Sky Nabia. Pass to atin sa gitna. Pass to Lopez. To set up. Para pass. Wala connection. 2 points. Ang ganda ng triangle offense ng AMTN. Aranda. Aranda umikot. May yung pula pero 2 points by Aranda. Sky Nabia to Segop sa gitna. Segop penetrate. Pass to Andal. Andal. Reverse layup. Pag no good. Ay ibang Ona. Pass to Sir Aranda. Sir Aranda dire-diretso. Aranda pa rin. Umipresa. Pass to Sir Mentresa. Files to G. No good pa rin. A little bit short. Ito na si Lopez. Ngayon sila. Favorite move. But no good. Rebound pa rin. Lopez to Andal. Andal to Mesa. And it's on. Offensive foul. Committed by jersey number 30. Andal. It's your second personal foul. Second team foul. Ito na si Ona. Setting the play. Ona sa malaksak. Pass to Paloy. Paloy. 2 points. Andal. Pass to Segop. Segop for 2. Whoop. Sayang. Nariba ni Palon. Pass to Arada. Pumapasa. Tumira. No good. Nariba ni Ona. Tumira. No good pa rin. Nariba ni Andal. Andal nagmamadali. Pass to Lopez. No good. Segop. 2 points for Segop. Takbong Araneta.
Ganun ka din eh.
Hindi nga tumatakbuhan yun eh.
Aranda. Pass to Petesa number 3. Not good pa rin this time. Pero ito, bumawi sa depensa. Up. Nahuli ang contact. Foul committed by jersey number 3. Petesa. It's your third personal foul. First team foul. Substitution, right?
Si Aubrey. So alam mo na, Aubrey. Nakita mo na.
First row. First row is good by Angat. Second row, ready jumpers.
Ang tagal maglakad, ano?
Kumaligod pa, niyatang mo, umuwi ka na. 2 out of 2, Barandan. Ona. Ona, pass to Aranda, nakapit, Patterson Wiesel, committed by jersey number 30 again. And it's your third personal foul.
Doon pa pupunta.
13 foul. Substitution, right? Paladin, pass to Ona for 3. No good. Rebound naman si Wayne, pass to Skynabia. Skynabia, eto na, Lumbea. No good this time. Pero rebound ni Matibag. 2 points by Sean Matibag. Eto naman ang the other side. Paloy, pass to Bethesda. Again for 3. Ayun na yung short pa rin. Matibag, si Matibag. Matibag, pass to Ona, 2. Bethesda, 2. Sir Paladin, Pumuesa, Kumbilan. No good. Pass to Pagsiyuin, to Lopez, to Matibag. What a pass. What a connection, 2 points. Bethesda, 2. Paladin, Pumuesa. Mission! Rebound isang balon. Wala rescue, 2 points. Matibag. Pass to Lopez. To Skynabia. Using the game clock. 15 to shoot. Skynabia. Nakalusot. Pass to Lopez. What a pass. Grabe talagang pasa nun. What a shot. 2 points. What a smooth operator.
Pasok naman si Reyes, oh.
No good. May humihiling. Pasok ng si Reyes. Eto na, Skynabia. Pass to Matibag. Quakes. Matibag shot. No good this time. Ibang isa Paladin to Ona. Ona. Natapigan ni Matibag. Nakuha ni Lopez. Eto na si Matibag. Pass to Pagsiyuin. Pagsiyuin naman po. Nag-minor pero nag-primera. Eto na si Bethesda. Opes ang isa. Ipag kami ng Bethesda number 16. Time out! AMTN. Playlist.
Wala pa rin si Reyes. Ititigil ko na ang live.
Back to the ball game. Vision score 101 to 67. For 3, Aranda, 3. Eto na. Mag-alawin again. There's a whistle. Paul committed the jersey number 23. Ona. It's your third personal foul. Second team foul. Matibag. Sharing the play. Natapigan sa Bethesda, pero nakuha pa rin. Matibag. Pass to Yama. Ayan na nga. Si Yama. 2 points for Yama. Ona. Sharing the play. Ona. Sumalaksak. Doon sa kontak, pero wala. Naman paloy. There's a reason na pagpasabi. Paul committed by jersey number 26. Lakitan. It's your second personal foul. Penalty tayo ulit. First throw for Palong. First throw is good. Second throw, ready jumpers. And he completes the two free throws. Lakitay.
Bubuksan ko na aircon.
Kuha ni Bethesda. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 4 seconds.
Yan.
Randa.
Nasa kwarto naman siya.
Favorite. Ang Bobby. Matibag. Matibag sumaksak. Dunali pa. Huwag na good. Matibag pa rin. Matibag pa rin. Lumabot tayo sa traveling violation. Hindi pa pwede yan. Lifting your bigot foot. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. On a pace. On a shot. No good. Everybody. Galicia. Galicia. Pass to Matibag. Matibag. Pass to Sekop. Sekop sumalaksak. 2 points for Sekop. Still ni Angat. Ayan na nga. Si Angat. 2 points. Kaigang kapatid. And this is the last 2 minutes. Senders of Israel foul. Umitig by jersey number 6, Sekop.
Reyes! 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 Reyes!
Reyes go.
Reyes!
Asa go, Reyes. Nahanap ka ni Mitch. First go for Aranda. No good. Second throw, ready jumpers. No good pa rin, rebound ni Yama. Pass to Matibag. Matibag. Stopping back for 3. Matibag, 3. Aranda, pass to Ona. For 3, no good. Ibati, Yama. Remaining time, 1 minute and 30 seconds. Galicia, pass to Manalo. 2 points for Manalo. Ona. Remaining time, 1 minute and 20. What a pass to Ona. Ona pumesa. But no good. Ito na si Lakigay. 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 Perimeter jumper. No good. Rebound. Galicia. Goes a Rizal. Limits a basket down. Nadali pa nga. Pang-Mayday na. Foul by jersey number 29. Paladin itself. Second personal foul. 13 foul. Remaining time. Last 1 minute and 1 second. First throw. Oh, good. Ibang Lakigay. 2 points. America, 50 seconds.
Technical mo rin.
Ibang Matibag. Two points for Manalo. Remaining time, 37 seconds. Ito naman si Sarpalon. 2 points.
Reyes!
Ito na,
Reyes!
Manalo again. Perimeter jumper. Aba, tulik eh. May tutok. Ito naman si Rahata bumalik sa 3. Lucky bounce, 3 points. Paul, Aranda. Remaining time 10. And that's it for our ball game. Congratulations, Team AMTN. At maraming salamat po sa Team Cuenca MPS.